Hi everybody, it's Daniel here from DIY Gardening. In today's short video I want to share with you 10 plants that you can grow in your garden if you want to create what's called a cut flower garden. That is plants that you can cut and bring indoors into your flower arrangements. And I'm going to start off with an absolute classic, which I couldn't possibly create this list without including this, and that is of course roses. Now these are the quintessential symbol of love and beauty. They're prized for their stunning blooms and alluring fragrances. Roses come in an array of colours, from classic reds to soft pastels, each with its own unique charm. Roses thrive in well-drained soil and full sunlight, requiring regular pruning to maintain their shape and encourage blooming. Ideal for romantic bouquets, these timeless flowers bring elegance to any floral arrangement. Peonies are beloved for their lush, full blossoms and sweet, subtle fragrance. Blooming in late spring to early summer, they present a dazzling display of colours including pinks, reds, whites and yellows. Peonies prefer well-drained soil and full sun to partial shade. Their opulent blooms make a luxurious statement in any bouquet, symbolising prosperity and romance. Dahlias are a gardener's delight, offering a spectacular variety of forms and colours. From small pom-poms to large dinner plate-sized blooms, dahlias can be the showstopper in any garden. They thrive in sunny locations with well-drained soil. These summer to autumn bloomers are perfect for adding vibrant colours and textures to your floral arrangements, making them a favourite among florists and gardeners alike. Zinnias are a vibrant and easy to grow choice for cut flower gardens. Their bright, cheerful flowers come in a rainbow of colours and a variety of shapes and sizes. Thriving in full sun and well-draining soil, zinnias are excellent for beginner gardeners. Their long stems and prolonged vase life make them a popular choice for colourful, summery bouquets. Tulips, a symbol of spring, enchant with their sleek and elegant blooms. Available in almost every colour imaginable, they add a touch of sophistication to any floral arrangement. Tulips grow best in cooler climates, requiring well-drained soil and full to partial sunlight. Their distinctive shape and array of colours make them a favourite for springtime bouquets and floral arrangements. Dianthus, also known as pinks, are cherished for their spicy fragrance and frilled or serrated petals. These flowers come in varying shades of pink, red and white, often with striking patterns. They prefer full sun and well-drained soil. Dianthus adds a whimsical charm to bouquets, with a long vase life and sweet clove-like scent that captivates the senses. Hydrangeas are known for their large bushy heads of flowers in shades of blue, pink, white and purple. They thrive in moist, well-drained soil with partial shade. Hydrangeas are unique in that their colour can change based on the pH of the soil. Their voluminous blooms make them a statement in any arrangement, adding a lush, romantic feel to bouquets. Lavender, renowned for its soothing fragrance and delicate purple flowers, brings a touch of tranquility to gardens and floral designs. It thrives in full sun and well-drained, slightly alkaline soil. Lavender's long stems and fragrant blooms are perfect for creating bouquets that not only look beautiful but also have a calming effect. Asters are late bloomers, bringing colour to the garden when many other flowers have faded. They display daisy-like flowers in shades of purple, blue, pink and white. Asters prefer full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. Their star-shaped flowers add a lovely wildflower look to bouquets, symboling love and patience. Chrysanthemums, often called mums, are autumn favourites with their vibrant blooms. They come in a wide range of colours, including yellow, red, pink and white. Mums thrive in full sun with well-drained soil. They are known for their long-lasting blooms, making them a popular choice for adding a pop of colour to autumn floral arrangements. So that's it. Look, thanks for watching. That's 10 plants that you can grow in your garden, which will be perfect for using as cut flowers in your home. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I will see you on the next video.